What's going on, guys? It's JMotoVlogs here, bringing my first motovlog for YouTube here on a 2019 ZX6R. It's my personal bike. It's pretty quick, pretty fun, but hoping to entertain you guys today. We'll see how it goes. Let's get on the road. See how much fun we can have today. Yeah, so a little backstory. Been riding for about, let's see, I started back in March of 2021. Started on a Ninja 400. Very good starter bike. I'm going to see if I can find some old video clips of that and show you guys. Very good starter bike. Learned a lot on that bike. Really got my feet wet on that one. It eventually got not necessarily old to me, but I just wanted something a little more. Do I regret getting the Ninja 400? Absolutely not. Like I said, that taught me a bunch of things. But yeah, it taught me a bunch of things. I've ridden dirt bikes in the past, but never been on the street with anything, so it was nice to start on something small. Good city bike. Really fun, very nimble, very light. Very good to hit some twisties with, stuff like that. But as far as like interstate goes, I just felt like that's the only thing that it kind of lacked in. I mean, it'll do it all day. I drove from close to Atlanta, Georgia, all the way to Panama City, Florida on a Ninja 400 over the summer, and I mean it handled it perfectly fine. But I just wanted some a little bit more juice, so I upgraded to 2009 ZX6R. That's a pretty big difference. A lot of fun. Definitely don't feel like I need more when I'm riding this bike. It's got plenty of power. Yeah, I can definitely throw this thing around just as easy as the Ninja 400. I mean, it's pretty lightweight. I mean, pretty minimal effort to throwing it around. Cruising today, new to YouTube, just trying it out. It's always been a dream of mine, so I thought, what the heck, Mountain Bike Week. So we're gonna see how it goes. Probably not gonna fit in that well, but that's all right. And it's fit in. I mean, from what I've done research on, it's a lot of Harleys and, you know, choppers, and, you know, I don't have anything against that at all. The person who I'm riding down there with is going to be on a Harley, so that's all I mean by that. I don't know. It's going to be fun. It's the beach. What's not to like about it? What's not to like? ZX6R 2009. I bought it when it had about 5,000 miles on it. Got 6,500 now. Super fun bike. Got it at Wow Motorcycles in Marietta. I highly recommend them. If you looking for a good deal on some fast bikes, they can get you hooked up, no doubt. They have a ton of them, so many bikes. What I've seen, they have the biggest inventory with all the COVID stuff going on, and it seems like people can't keep inventory. They have it going on. They have some really good buyers, really good people. They're not too pushy with getting you to make a purchase. Yeah, good people. Go there. Go to Wild Motorcycles. Yeah, like I said, just cruising today. Not ripping it too hard. Just having a good time today. Rip it today. Just out having a good time. Not gonna rip it. Good buddy of mine, he just purchased a 2021 Z900, so I'll be doing a lot of MotoVlogs with him as well. We ride pretty hard, so I'm sure you guys will like that. naked bike, that C900 has got some balls. It's got a lot of balls. I'm sure eventually we're going to do a bike swap so you guys can see that. That'll be pretty fun. Actually never ridden a naked sport bike before, so that ought to be interesting. Going from aggressive leaned over to sitting straight up. It'll be weird. It'll be very weird. Probably never going to want to ride this bike again. Seemed like a nice guy. Nice Stingray. Yeah, we're going to get to the highway up here. Let you guys see some acceleration. That bug hit me in the neck. We'll let this car pass. No cops, okay. Speed limit on this road, that's good. Very good I slowed down too, because there was a cop sitting right there. I knew I should have turned left. I don't know why I didn't. That was close. That was very close. Good thing there's no speed limit. That cop could have pulled me over. Guys, we're back. Had a little scare there, but we're good. We're good. That's probably gonna do it for today's MotoVlog. Appreciate you guys watching. There'll be many more to come. Had a real good time talking to you guys. Anyways, peace.